about social media. So it is a computer-based technology that helps us to share ideas, connect with different people, and it is very it's very trending nowadays. So I would like to talk its advantages and disadvantages also, sir. Mostly, I think it has so many disadvantages because, according to me, I get addicted to it a lot, and I think it's a major disadvantage. But it also depends on person, sir, because if we are in our own control, we can cope up with that addiction. Yeah, yes, sir. I would like to give options for my friends also, sir, to talk.
Yes, sir. Nowadays, it is the source where lakhs of people spend the most of the time on this platform, and where the social media consists of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp, where we can communicate where we can communicate from one place to another place and one country to another country within a second. It is totally based on the electrical communication, and this has changed a lot of people's lives, which you can from the past 10 years, though we are in.
So social media helps to connect with people around the world, and also uh, we can it really helps us.
Yeah. Continue. Discussion social media. What are the social media? Can discuss many.
And we can join in any community, and it really helps us. Uh, it helps us to, and it really helps us because there are other people who do the same thing, and it really motivates us sometimes.
Hmm. Vinodini, Stravani, topic
Yes,
is
sir.
yours. You have to take lead.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But
Yes,
there
sir.
are
So,
not only disadvantages, there are a lot of advantages where we can learn lot of new things. Um,
Yes. Yes, no, exactly.
yes, sir, I support her. There are a lot of advantages. Like many people even earn money going to the social media. They become influencers and earn a lot of money. But I think majorly it has disadvantages only, according to me, more than advantages. But yes, sir, it's according to us. Like if we wanted to use in a good way, we'll use it. But it depends on us, sir.
yes, sir. If we think positive, it may continue in positive way.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Harika, take lead. Just you continue. That's better. Akshita, would you like to
Sir,
continue? Right. Yeah. Harika. Harika, continue. Lucky
sir,
muted.
Yes.
also social media helps to
Speak up. Today, this is also a media now. Electronic media.
social media really helps to spread news very quickly. If there is any injustice or anything wrong happens, then I think social media really spreads it very quickly, and it really helps in that way.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. And if there is any emergency, if any accident or something, the news gets spread really quickly, sharing all these tweets and all. It has advantages in that way also. It helps us motivate a lot, and we can learn a lot of things from social media.
Yeah, it's really happening topic. Happening topic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it. That's it to speak on social media.
We haven't prepared, so
also-
that's why we are
Yeah.
literally seeking out to speak. That's it.
Yes, sir.
And also, sir, these social media apps are designed in such a way to get us addicted to them, because if we see certain things, only those kind of things will get repeated in our feed, and they are so addictive, and they are designed in such a way to make us addicted to them. So we shouldn't get addicted to them, and we should only use them for improving our life, because there are many advantages of it. Like there are many people do share about their sad things, and their journey and all, and it really inspires us when we see them, and we get inspired that we too can face those challenges, just how they faced and all.
Okay. Being lead, Shravani, would you like to conclude?
Yes, sir. I would like to conclude that as everything has its own advantages and disadvantages, even social media has the same. We need to use it in a proper way. It should not make us use. We should make it use. We should not get into its hands. We should control it, and that's it, sir.
Great. Okay.
Thank
Anything to say? Vinodini, would you like to say anything?
Yes, sir. By this I concluded. But social media are affecting most human relations also.
Yeah.
So we should be in our limits and we should use it properly.